what's up everyone, this is Imran with MonsterGadgets, and today is February 8th, 2019. And for those of you that are my subscribers, welcome back. And for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing. I do a lot of product reviews, tutorials on videography and photography, do some vlogging as well, so you don't want to miss out. So make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up on this video. So today is a very special day for me. For a lot of you, it might not be, but for me, it really is. So yesterday, what happened was, yesterday we hit a huge benchmark. This might not be again for a lot of people, but for me personally, it's something that I have a lot of appreciation in. And yesterday I hit 100 subscribers, and I've been on this channel for quite some time, but really over the last week and a half or so is when I've consistently uploaded content, and I plan on doing that going forward. So for everyone who subscribed, thank you. It means a lot to me, and I certainly want to keep bringing content to you all that you are enjoying. So as an appreciation, I want to do something special for you guys. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 2 gift cards, each worth $50. So if you want to qualify for this, all you got to do is go down in the comment section and drop your Instagram tag on there for me, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my link here somewhere so you guys know what it is. But I'm also trying to build my Instagram, so that way I can post kind of behind the scenes type of footage, early reveals and things of that nature on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on there. So what I'll do next week is I will go ahead and pick out 2 winners, again, each getting a $50 Amazon gift card, and I will announce it on my video next week. I'll do a screen record so you guys can see. I'm gonna use an automatic generator that'll randomly pick selections for me from my comments. So again, make sure you go down there and leave your Instagram tag. So, and I'll leave the instructions in the description down below as well, so you guys have that. But again, thank you so much. It's really a big milestone for me. Going forward though, since we've already reached 100, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out there. So I'm gonna do something very special once I reach 1,000 subscribers. And that something special is going to be a camera giveaway. So one of the things I want to be able to do on this channel, and I certainly hope I'm able to do, is to inspire other photographers, videographers to create content on YouTube, or in general, just kind of get into what you want to be able to do. So with my tutorials, hopefully I'm able to help someone learn those new skills. But again, I also want to inspire all the creators that are out there to create more content. So if you can support me, I would give back in the sense by hopefully giving someone a chance to win a brand new camera. I don't know what that camera is going to be. It'll be a digital SLR. I don't know exactly which one. Maybe a Canon T6 or a Canon 80D. That's what I'm currently recording on. But I don't know. I'll figure that out later on. But I do want to throw that out there. So if you guys again have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Share my channel. Share my videos with your friends, colleagues, coworkers, whoever else it might be, and help spread my channel. And again, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will do a separate giveaway, and I'll give instructions on what that's going to be for those that might qualify. So stay tuned for that. But again, I just want to do a quick video today on just saying thank you. You guys are an awesome community, and I'm glad we're creating an awesome community, I should say. And I'm looking forward to more content getting out to you guys. So tomorrow I'm going to be putting out a tutorial on Adobe Premiere and what you can do as a audio hack to make your videos sound better. So stay tuned for that. And again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all later. Goodbye.